if I can whittle this down so I can get it in the splitter. But I gotta get through that metal, get rid of it anyway. Hey, while I'm stopped here, I had to put a different chain on. I hit that metal again. I'm going to see if I can cut crossways and miss that metal one time. If I can just get through there one time, I can split it. Only need about 4 inches off of it. Anyway, while I'm talking here, this is what I just bought a couple of days ago. My old home light at last. Well, I pushed on a primer bulb and it blew out. And I didn't have one. And the chain was worn out, bar was worn out on it, so I decided to just go ahead and get a different one. This isn't, I went in to buy an Echo. They wanted $350 for one. It had a 2-inch longer bar on it. But Home Depot doesn't give me a military discount. And it kind of pissed me off that Lowe's gives me a military discount on anything. I can go in there and buy a nail and they give me a 10% discount without any problems. All I had to do was sign up through their online and enter my DD214, and from then on out, every time I walk in there and buy something. So I always try to buy everything from Lowe's because they are supporting their veterans, even though I'm a very old veteran. One nice thing about this saw I really like is this place to store your tool to take off your chain. There's several things I like about it. The one thing I was a little leery about buying was it had these little plastic knobs, but you know, it's not too bad. Got a choke here, and when you pull the choke out, it automatically turns on the ignition. It's kind of cool. And when you get it started, once it pops, push it in the middle, and it starts right up. One thing about 2 cycles, remember, don't flood them. When they're hot, don't choke them. So, I don't know what all these little things are. Some hieroglyphics from nowadays. Oh, it says pump it 10 times, pull out the choke, pull it 5 times. Put the choke to half. Wow, that's weird. Pull it again. Then once it gets started, unlock this. Now if it's hot, it says prime it 10 times, pull the choke out, and only try it 4 times. I'm not with that. If it's hot, I'm not going to choke it. No chainsaw. Okay, cat. Alright, I'm going to try to cut the end off this thing.